Hi guys, this is Shelby Higgins, and I'm going to be telling you my 3 favorite paintings of the top 50 most famous paintings of all time. So, to start off, my first favorite painting would definitely be Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. Mainly because I have always been so drawn to this particular painting. Even as a kid, I would always try to redraw and recreate it, but of course it would never look exactly like this. Van Gogh has a great way of using color here, especially with the huge fireball star up here. They really illuminate and bring out the night sky, which is also in contrast with the dark city down here. Overall, there's just a lot of thought out detail, which makes the Starry Night very pretty and an attention getter. My next favorite painting, also by Vincent van Gogh, is the Cafe Terrace at Night. Mainly because of his use of color. Like I said earlier, Starry Night, Van Gogh really has a beautiful way of using color. Here you can see the warm artificial colors, whereas up here you can see the cool natural colors. Another thing I noticed is it seems like this horse and this rider takes up the center, and all the line work leads up to it, as you can see. So on to my third favorite. It would be The Last Supper by the one and only Leonardo da Vinci. This is one of my favorites because it has hidden meanings behind it, and there's also several different stories being told at the same time. And this all leads up to Jesus right here in the middle, this geometric shape, a triangle, where Jesus is at. Another thing that I thought was really cool is where the hands and the bread are placed. All along here, it lies a hidden song, even up here, which is read from right to left, like Da Vinci's writing style. And I will play that for you right here. So that is that. As far as the questions on the Mona Lisa, I picked number 1. What makes the Mona Lisa so noteworthy? Well, I think because it's so realistic, especially for it to have been painted so long ago, and for it to have as much detail and shading as it does. I also think the mysterious kind of draws you in because you don't know if she's happy or sad. So the mysteriousness of her smile really draws your attention to it. So that is it. Thank you for watching.